Hi everybody, I'm Alistair.
And I'm Deirdre Hugo, and we are the team that will be presenting the technical track during InnovateEDU.
And we're really excited about this new format. Normally we had a day beforehand, but this year we've decided to include the technical track inside of the InnovateEDU program. And for that, it's good reason. More and more we've realized that digital leaders, many of you, wear multiple different hats. And so by merging the technical and the pedagogical, you're able to reach a wider audience within your school. And we want to help you do that.
And we have asked our clients, and based on unanimous feedback, we will be offering the following sessions.
Okay, so session number 1 is called the white hat mystery, where you're going to hack your own domain. You know, they say that the best defense is a good offense, and that is very true, certainly of our mighty Springboks here in South Africa. But this particular workshop is going to invite you to put your white hat on, which is, if you don't know, it's your hacker hat. And we're going to be performing a deep dive security audit of your Google Workspace domain. We're going to help you to find those vulnerabilities, those ones that you don't know about, and to be able to fix them. It's going to be really collaborative. It's going to be hands-on. It's going to be a great, productive way for you to do a health check of the Google ecosystem environment. Like you've never done it before. What you will need, you're going to need your administrative credentials. We'd like you to get onto your own administration domain. We don't want you to make those changes in the session, maybe not all of them. Some of them always a challenge. We always say when we're training, don't make those changes. But you do need some administrative account details. You want to see your own domain, and you need a laptop. That's the first session.
Right, the second session will be called the Admin Console Pit Stop, Tune Up and Turbocharge. Your domain is kind of like a high-performance engine, but over time, it does gather some digital junk, as we call it. So now we're going to open the hood, flush out the clutter, and then tighten your Chrome policies and build a seamless onboarding and offboarding strategy for your staff and students. So if you want a Google environment that runs faster, leaner, and smarter, this is your perfect pit stop. Again, administrative credentials and a laptop are required for this session.
Good, and Deirdre, you said Chrome. You didn't say Chromebook.
Yeah.
And Chrome, the browser, is the new modern endpoint. And we're going to be bringing a lot of our experience into that session. Again, hands-on, again, fun and exciting. Last but not least is going to be a session which we've dedicated, which we've called the Gemini tool track. Hands up, who of you are using AI? I bet all of you. Yep, every single day. This is going to be the Gemini tool track. Toolkit, I beg your pardon. It's an essential AI skills for the modern IT environment. We honestly don't want you just to deploy AI. We know that it's coming. We know that it's being utilized, but we want you to be able to master that. And so in this high energy session, we're going to be looking at the admin console. We're going to look at how you can control your settings within your own environment and how this can be the center of innovation within your school environment. So we're going to look at how you can make sure everything is safe and secure. We're going to be diving deep into the retention. How does that impact Google Vault and how you'll be able to get information, and maybe how people are using AI within your school environment. And then we're going to be getting hands-on. We're going to learn how to craft gems. We're going to look at how to design self-driving agents. We're going to look at how to produce some professional content within minutes and saving you time. At the end of the day, we want to use these AI tools to make your administrative tasks and maybe some of your IT tasks a lot easier and to automate your day.
So don't hesitate. Make sure you buy your tickets for InnovateEDU today, and we look forward to seeing you there.
We'll see you there.